Okay. Wish ko lang kay Kate good health and long life. Saktong kainan lang. Para makaraos lang sa birthday ng aking Kate Suralta. Mahilig sila sa pasta. Mana sa mami. Light the candle.
Ay, dito pakisarado ko kaya ang lapitan.
Baskin Robbins ice cream cake.
Happy birthday! Today is July 21. Order.
Shane, after eating? Shane, don't diet. I'm worried about you. Hey, wait, you hide the video. These are our...
Yung itsura nyo. Video to video. Are we in the center? Uy, smile ka naman.
Well, you want me to take a picture? Okay, the video.
Okay, ano tayo na?
Girl! Birthday girl! Wow! Oh, mine also. I'm the only one lucky, oh.
May candle ka ba? Mayroon binigay?
Salam. Oh my God.
Ano? Tayo na?
Okay. Let's go, Shane.
Magasto talaga dito sa Amerika pag may dalawa kang teenager. Marunong na sila mag-shopping ng mga pamporma. Ayan, as usual, kumain na naman kami sa Burger Shack. Shack! Isang hamburger, $10 na rin yan, mga kapuso. Buon appetito! Ayan, nag-shopping na ng mga sapatos kasi pasukan na sa school. School bukol, yo! Naghihintay lang ako para magbayad sa mga sapatos nila. Every pasukan lang sila kukuha ng sapatos. Isang sapatos sa isang pasukan o dalawa. Back to school shopping.
It's not hurt. No, it's good.
This looks nice. Not taller.
Hindi pa ako kikilos. Wala.
Mommy's knows best. Ang
Nakailang pili.
ilaw ng tahanan.
Ito, you wanna try it?
The old shoes.
Look what I thought at Target.
Mommy's working
And then
hard.
I had to get it.
Oh, there you go. You said there's no bag.
What you got here? Shark?
No, yeah.
Shark.
That's my whole personality.
Shark bag. Ayan, naging cashier na. Hi, Mommy. That's Shane. What's your order? Get ready. Hey, Mommy. What's your order?